we go to the next presenter, Rian Herwansyah. Rian-san, are you ready? Or Dr. Rian?
Yes, Pak. Yes, Pak. I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, you are ready. So, Dr. Rian will present almost similar about the project management.
Yes.
So, he will become the last but not the least presenter for today's I Cannot See, for the first day of I Cannot See 2020. Are you ready?
Yes, Pak. I will share my screen.
Okay, ready. So, you have 15 minutes for presenting your research and another 5 minutes for discussion. For the participants, if there is any other question, just write down in the chat room, and then we can discuss in the question and answer session. So the stage is yours now.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the time. Today, I will present my research paper, which title is Importance of Internalization of Tacit Knowledge Sharing in Project Management, Case in XYZ Finance. The introduction, XYZ Finance is a long-established company that do car financing. They are built in 1981 and rapidly growing until right now. In 2016, they asked our company to make a functional website because they think that the online market is growing and they don't have any social website that the competitor of XYZ Finance have. So they come to us as our expertise to make the website in 2016 around September. Then we make the website and then finish in December 2016. And what is the problem after that is the high turnover of people, because from after the website is launched in 2016, 2017, 2018, from 3 people that do the website, 2 of them are resigning from the company, so automatically they don't do the website anymore because they already resigned. That the only one of the project member that handle the website. Actually, in around that time, there are like performance problem in the website, so that one person needs to fix it, and fortunately they can fix it. But in 2019, that person actually resigned from our company, so the project didn't have any PIC, unfortunately. But in our company, we assign one more developer to tackle a task to make an API in the website that connecting the website and the insurance company. Fortunately, it's already done. But 2020, developer also resigned. So it is very high the total of people in this project. So I gonna analyze it from the Sechi model method. So in the Sechi model, there are 4 phases. There are socialization, externalization, combination, and realization. Socialization is the knowledge sharing between individual, and externalization is knowledge, you convert individual knowledge into a group knowledge. Then in combination, combine what the externalization phase to be organizational knowledge. Then from that, the last step is internalization, that from that organizational knowledge, you hope that the individual can understand what the knowledge are, or even making new knowledge. So what the method that I researched about the importance of Sechi is interviewing the current team lead in the project. Because in 2020, our company changed the developer team. So there are two people that currently assigned in this project. There are two questions that I asked to him about this project that can give insight. The first question is the knowledge sharing given from the previous developer sufficient to handle the project? Generally, the developer explained well. The previous developer explained sufficient knowledge, but the sufficient knowledge that the developer share is the API, which is his part in this website. But he don't give the knowledge about the, for example, function to calculate KPR or something similar, a detailed function, but he only give the team lead only general knowledge. So in detail, he didn't get it. The previous developer only give the knowledge about the API. So it's not sufficient for the API, but for the other knowledge, it's not sufficient enough. Then the second question is, are there any problem regarding the project right now? In summary, the team lead answered that there are two. The first is it's the cost fatality because there are back and forth argument between the XY Finance and us because they said that they don't have the source code when in the group, the project, they said that it's not the latest source code, the source code in XYZ Finance. So there are back and forth arguments about the validity. But the teammate assumed that the last source code that he got from the previous developer that do the project is the latest one. And as he said earlier, that there is to blindly search the source code for detailed function because the developer earlier, he only shared what the general function about the website, shared what the detailed function. So it literally, the developer to search line by line and code by code, which is a hard thing and a hassle. So to Sechi, the knowledge transfer between the developer before I analyze it is just they only do two phases, which is the socialization part and the externalization part, because they create the tacit knowledge and they discuss it between the group members of the website developers, but unfortunately they only share it between them. They don't document it to a document or share it to others. So the knowledge will be kept in that group, and when that is dissolving, that knowledge will be gone from the companies. The company cannot easily plug and play another developer, so there is no continuous knowledge transfer. So what I suggest is they add two more steps to complete the Sechi knowledge part, which is the combination and internalization part, which is the combination part, they make a documentation about what is the group discussion summary. So they have a document about what is the group are. So when there's a similar problem arise or there are similar problems, so they can see documentation and learn from it, or even making new knowledge, which is the last part, which is the internalization part. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Rian. So it's about the car financing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for the participant, I just remind you if there is any question for the presenter, just write down in the chat room. So while we're waiting, Dr. Rian, so I have a question for you.
Yes.
It's discuss about from the from the social discussion to documentation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So far, do you find, is there any gap between what they discussed in the group and what they documented?
What I see is right
Yeah,
now, without this implementation, they
yeah,
even the documentation that they use, it's
yeah.
different. So actually, I need to make the documentation twice, and it's
Hmm.
they only make documentation uh person. So it may be for person A it's understandable, but maybe for person B and C it's not understandable for them. So it is the challenge about this project because there are many developers, many brains, many
Okay,
people, but
yeah.
generalists because if unfortunately the developer leave the project, we can add a new developer and make him or her easier to do this project.
Okay. So we are still waiting for the question for the participants. Is there any disclosed information that should be protected in this tacit knowledge creation? Because we talk about the financing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I don't say the name of the finance company, like
Okay.
XYZ Finance. It's confidential, so I don't say A finance or B finance. I or the information that I give is only general. It's only XYZ Finance. So I cannot give the finance company name and also my company name. So I don't give the name. So it's the
Okay.
confidentiality.
That's confidential. Okay.
Yeah,
So we have one question. The first question from the participant.
yeah,
So almost similar about the confidential from
yeah.
Eka Prayudasan. So hi Rian, it is
Yeah.
a common in your industry that people prefer to keep this important knowledge to keep them more knowledgeable and competitive. So preserve our
Okay.
knowledge, not to share to anyone, to make it me maybe more knowledgeable and competitive. How can you ensure that they have shared all their secrets? So that's interesting question.
Hmm. Yeah, interesting. And
Ah,
really, it is kind of hard because it's people, right? Maybe sometimes they want to give you the knowledge, or maybe they don't want. But fortunately, my company is a little company. It's only around 20 people in here. So we give,
okay,
we have made a big camaraderie among others. So if we get something new or we get something interesting about the knowledge in our developer circle, we we give and we share even everyone to other developers. So I think yeah, it is a risk that sometimes people prefer to keep his important knowledge. I understand that, but
okay,
in a small community, especially for example in my company, they do give the knowledge to others. For example, me and my other comrades. So I think it's little bit easier, but what I know in other big company, it's much harder because you know it's it is KPI or something like that. So I think it's much easier in small company, but in big company it's really different. So it is in my personal opinion.
okay. So while we are waiting for the next question, stay open. We still have another 7 minutes. So for the participant, please you can ask. It's very interesting topic. So let me continue the question. Oh, thank you from the Eka Prayudasan. So, okay, you already create the tacit knowledge creation. So, how you save the tacit knowledge creation? How you put the knowledge? In what kind
From
of
what
media
I
you put the knowledge?
okay for what I propose in my company, actually my company have a private G drive switch that can contain a document folder in there. So, and it's private. So I have an idea that unfortunately my supervisor say they still thinking about it, but they have a G Drive that I can use to put this documentation. So
Oh,
that's it.
okay. Also, so far you put in the Google Drive.
Yes, but it's private. But no, it's only our company can access it.
Okay. So we are still waiting. So I continue the question and answer because you have an interesting topic. So can you give us an example? What kind of like some kind of information that is we can call it it's confidential in this industry?
What is confidential is the
Yeah.
well, for example, but this is like financing, right?
Okay.
So the confidential part is, do you know when you want to have a oh you want to have loan in your car, you have like
Okay.
a combination of calculator, right? And in this industry, there are many financing that have many calculation there in their loan calculator. So sometimes in this company they use this calculation, a calculation. Sometimes the other companies do have B, for example. So they have different calculation to calculate your loan, especially in
Yeah.
expensive finance. They only car, so it's kind of confidential for them because they use it for car. And from what I heard, the website is currently search for its a car loan simulation. So I think they have pretty good calculation. So I think it's confidential. The example.
Oh, okay. Okay. So in simplified, the formula to make
Yes.
the loan scheme itself is highly confidential.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think that's all for today's presentation. Thank you, Triansan,
Yeah.
for
Thank
your
you.
nice presentation and interesting topic.
You,